Bubuksan natin tong mga in-order ko para sa ating pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Ang dami nito.
Close the eyes!
Close the eyes. You're excited that ito siya to going Philippines na? Let's see. Unan ba para pag nagta-travel, tingnan yung wait.
Protection, neck and plane.
Para kay Katyusha.
I was traveling.
And strawberry yung kay Ate Katyusha. Wait, mami. Wow.
The bed is.
This is Mentro Edie.
The bed is, mommy.
Huh?
The bed.
For bed? You like it? What you want to say to mommy?
Thank you, mom. I love you, mom.
You're welcome.
Wait.
Next.
This is all bed for you.
Lagayan ng ano guys, toothbrush. We put the toothbrush here. This is for your medicine.
Good. Can I put that?
Yan o, may cross. Look at here, my love. You can put the medicine here, my love. Your medicine.
Good.
Yan.
Mommy.
This is for you.
Thank you.
For you.
What is this for our passport, my love? We put our passport here.
Da?
So yes,
Good.
para organize ba yung ano namin, mga gamit yan. Wow, look here. So dito natin nilalagay yung passport. So
Only
diba?
passport then.
Look here. See? Dito namin nilalagay. Pwede rin yung mga credit card, mga ganon. So,
Keep it.
here. So, next. Oh, sa luggage natin to, my love. So, ayan guys, mamaya na lang ito guys. Wala na kay Krimago. What is this? Ah!
What is that, Mano?
To clean my camera, Canon.
Ah, good.
O, diba? So, para to sa aking Canon.
Talk to me.
Yay! Ano to? Timbangan. Timbang sa aming luggage. Look at here, my love. Watch for me. Before ako bumili nito, nagtanong ako sa kanya kung gusto niya ba ng relo. Sabi niya, hindi. Kaya, bumili lang ako para sa akin, guys. So, ayan. Sobrang mura lang naman ito, guys. Hindi naman ito kamahalan, eh.
Nice. What is that?
For me. Kasi nga, panay po ako edit ng vlog. Tapos, para protection sa mata ko ba? Para hindi masira yung mata natin ba? Napaka-importante ito para sa akin. Especially, everyday work sa laptop. Thank you, Lord. Yay! Kasi nga, uuwi kami ng Pilipinas and hindi talaga mawawala yung mga swimming, no? So, kaya, bumili ako para sa cellphone, guys. This is water protection or phone.
Da?
To make video under the water.
Da?
Yes. Yes.
What if it took it out?
No, don't open.
Why?
Don't open now. We open in Philippines.
Da. So, wow! This is for Edie and Katyusha. Para na rin sa akin.
What is that?
This is what I told to you, glass for sickness.
Da?
Car sickness. Edie, sa no vomit, punay asa in ice, okay? Okay, mamika. What is this?
What is that, Mano?
Look!
Tommy,
This is for Dalawa yung in-order ko para kay Katyusha at saka ni Edie. Kasi nga, alam nyo na guys,
Until Filipino di damage all.
kailangan
Can you take this in Buzaw?
daw, imbas. Kailangan tong suotin para daw to hindi magsuka. I-try natin to kay Edie kung effective ba.
Ang char ka mas yun.
Ati.
Chia ka na. Chista yan. Space.
Naghanap ko yung
And
mata, oy.
if they poke, we send back.
Daddy.
Umbrella para sa aking cellphone. Kasi nga, pag umuulan, guys, para makapag-vlog din, no?
What is that, my love?
Malam, umbrella for my phone.
Umbrella for Fornica. Cute.
Da, very cute.
And you put the phone there?
Da, ito na.
Where?
Ito yung phone ni Daddy, tapos, ayan. O, di ba, my love?
Ah, nice.
Para hindi siya...
Very smart and nice.
Kasi nga, sa Pilipinas, guys, alam nyo na, lalo na dun sa barangay namin na panay ulan. So, kaya, syempre, alam nyo na, guys, vlog yung work. Ganda niya, guys.
What is this, my love?
What is that? Wala ka like scientist. Ito pala yung kay Daddy, guys. So, kaya hindi na ako bumili sa kanya kasi mas mahal to eh. Where you bought this one? In Dubai?
In Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. So, alam nyo na pag sa airport tayo bumibili ng mga gamit is napakamahal.
I succeed to sleep there in plane. Abu Dhabi to Manila. I'm sure I destroyed them with my snoring. Slept like 5 hours.
What is this? This is for Edie. Only one? This is for Edie pag nagsusuka si Edie, guys. What is this?
Don't, mommy.
Tunog. What is this?
Don't.
Ah, pag... Ano pala, my love? Oh, this is for our kanang kuan, kanang SIM card para hindi siya mawala. Mga SIM card. Huh, tingnan nyo, guys.
Wow.
Diba? Naka-prepare na talaga sa pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Oh, dalawa
Why
pala.
they're like this, my love?
Diba nung summer, nag-order ako ng sapatos para kay Daddy. And ngayon naman, nag-order ako ng sapatos para sa akin.
My love.
This is for me.
Wow, bravo.
Mura lang to, my love. This is cheap, boy. This is my favorite.
You're so...
27, I hope.
Nice, bravo.
Mami, ako.
Use them with good health.
Ito yung susuotin ko pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Ah! Yung susi! This is the lock of our luggage. So, ayan o. 4 to.
Mimi.
Wow, ang galing.
My love, don't open now.
So, ayan. Oh, ang bigat naman ito.
Avente.
Yan. Look at here, my love.
Sapos.
And abangan nyo po yung mga vlog namin sa Pilipinas. So, ayan. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube channel and Facebook page, The Petri